Hi everyone, this is Arjun from TechBytes, and in this video we're going to see the unboxing of Samsung's latest Galaxy Watch. I have opted for the 42mm one and we also have the 46mm one. Anyway, without any ado, let's get started. So friends, do note that I have got it from the Galaxy Note 9 offer and I redeemed this offer through the My Galaxy app. So if you are a Note 9 user, then you can redeem this offer within 30th of November and you will get a 42mm Galaxy Watch for 9,999 rupees. So keep that in mind. Anyway, let's move on. This is the box itself. The packaging from Samsung is excellent and the matte black box feels awesome, I would say. We can see the image of watch itself, and I have got the 42mm one which supports Bluetooth. On the sides we can see it has a long battery life and supports fitness and wellness tracking, support 39 workout activities, and it is also a water resistant up to 50 meters, so that's a great thing. So on the back it says along with the Bluetooth it supports Wi-Fi and GPS. The pricing of this device is 25,990 rupees, but I purchased it for 10,000 rupees because I redeemed it through the Note 9 offer. So if you are purchasing it separately, you need to pay around 25,000 rupees. So keep that in mind. And there is also a 46mm watch for 30,000 rupees, but you need to pay that separately. And without any doubt, I would say this is one of the best smartwatch that you can buy in this price point. So big thumbs up to Samsung. Now let's cut the seal and see what comes inside the box. The first thing is the watch itself, and my first impressions, this is awesome. So let me keep this aside and see what comes inside the box. There is an additional strap provided, so that's also nice. There is a charging dock which is wireless and the quality of the dock is top notch, and we have the regular warranty papers and user manual. Let me keep this aside. There is also a micro USB charger that comes inside the box, so that's a good thing. Now let's look at the Galaxy Watch itself. Well, I am very much impressed with the build quality and the enhanced feel. First, let's look at the physical overview of the device. We have the 1.2-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen with the rotating bezels. And on the sides, we have two buttons for back and home. There is also a microphone for calling. And on the other side, we can see the speakers. And on the back, we have the heart rate sensor. And the strap is also made of good quality rubber. Anyway, let me take out the protective cover. Now let's turn on the device. As you can see, it shows the Galaxy Watch. So I'll be right back after the setup completes. Before that, take a look at the specifications of the Galaxy Watch. So friends, the setup has been completed. Samsung had started rolling out a new update, so that's a good thing. Anyway, let's look at the device itself. By rotating the bezels, we can go to various widgets. We can add up to 15 widgets in the Galaxy Watch. And by pressing the home button, we can see the installed applications like contact, messages, email, etc. We also have Galaxy app pre-installed in the Galaxy Watch. So downloading apps and watch faces will not be an issue. We also have a dedicated Bixby option in the Galaxy Watch. So that's also nice. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or queries, do let me know in this comment section. And this is Arjun signing off, and have a great day.